Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Defy, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll to find the display. Now we have to tap on advanced, and as you can see right under the advanced, we've got the screen timeout option. So let's enter, and here we've got some options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, and those options are a little bit short, I would say, or short. Or we can set 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Currently we've got the 30 minutes option applied. As you can see, this option is marked. So basically all we have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick 5 minutes, for example. And as you can see, it is notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Motorola Defy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.